Yo, what's going on, guys? Got Wyatt out here today. We're out ice fishing, and so the first part of this video, Wyatt's gonna be talking to you because I'm gonna go set tip-ups up, and Wyatt's gonna talk to you, and we have our underwater camera, so I'm gonna set you up on that, and yeah, I'm gonna get this camera to turn around, and yeah, hopefully it'll be a good one. All you.
All right, guys. So, oh, fish right below it. Fish right below it.
Oh yeah, yep.
Jackson's still here right now, but
That looked like a nice perch. Dude, accidentally kind of crushed your minnow.
I don't care. I need a new one anyways. One was not good. He's dead. It's been dead. Should I switch holes in case he went to the other hole?
No. He kind of just swam through. So, all right, guys. I'll be right back, and I'm gonna go set up tip-ups. I need to take the minnows with me.
Huh?
So I'm gonna need to take the minnows with me.
Okay.
If you need bait, my papa has another minnow bucket over by him, or there is another one over here. Alright, I'll be back, guys. And if nothing comes through in like 5 minutes, just turn the camera off until something does.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, so he's just going to set tip-ups, and if you guys hear me snacking, don't mind. But I hope you guys like this vid. It's gonna be interesting. I hope we catch a lot of fish.
Okay, alright.
And a little bit, I think.
Okay. Like that. That.
Guys, if I do get a fish to come bite, then I'm gonna have to shut the lid on that camera so water doesn't get on it. That's at least what Jackson said.
Yo, what?
What's up?
So all of our tip-ups are pretty much going to be this way, and I'm going to put bells on them. So I'm going to take that out so we can hear them.
All right. You have your mic on, right?
Huh?
You have your mic on?
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys should be able to hear Jackson. Okay, guys, don't mind me. I'm just gonna set that there. Hope a fish comes while I get a snack. Sorry guys, if that sounded weird, it's because I covered the mic so I could clear my throat. See what we got here. I think I'm gonna have some chips here.
Right back.
Got it. I'll just every often I'll just shake it. Shake this.
Alright, guys.
I'm gonna move the mic right over so you guys don't have to hear me.
We're set up in this first hole, just outside the shanty.
You guys still might hear me, but it should be as loud.
I hope you guys can hear me, because you should be able to. Okay, that's minnow.
Dropping it down. My minnow is very alive right now, guys. Shaking his tail. Come on. There we go. Okay. You guys might be wondering, how do the fish not see that orange line? Yeah, guys, to be totally honest, I have no clue. I have no clue how the fish can't see that. It's a question to comment on this video and Jackson will answer it. Alright. Thank you for set. Just gotta grab a bell. A bell for it right there. There we go. Alright, finicky for set. And we're gonna go that way. Alright. Jackson. Should I save some of these for you?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Hey, Wyatt.
Huh?
Oh, flag, bring the camera.
Flags up. You locked me in here.
It's taking line. Come on. Line's tangled. It keeps taking line.
Did you lose him?
Nope, got him.
Oh, yeah.
Good fish. Oh, weeds. I'll tighten that up. Still got him.
Yep, perch.
Oh,
I think.
No. Big pickerel.
Oh, yes, big pickerel. Holy
Nice
crap.
pickerel. Sweet.
That's a nice pickerel.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Alright.
Spend 7 minutes. Should I keep it going or?
Nice little pickerel to start, guys.
Mhm.
We're gonna get this set back, and we'll turn the camera back on once a fish comes through on the underwater camera.
I will do that.
Put line down the hole. Okay, good. Now grab the line. Really pull it. You feel him?
No.
No, he's there. Go, go, go. You got him, you got him. You got him.
He's gonna get tangled up in the line.
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back. We're marking. It's a good mark. It's a good size mark. Came right up off the bottom. Still here. Oh, Jesus, there might be two. I'm not sure. I can't really tell. Come on. I think he kind of just cruised on by. I don't see him anymore. Alright, yo, what's up, guys? My phone died, so this is Wyatt's phone. This is our outro. Sorry we couldn't get much fish on the camera today. I mean, just to show you guys, but, yeah, it's been kind of a slow day, and I think we're gonna wrap it up here soon anyway, so thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Yeah, see you guys later.